Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a super easy and cute pleated skirt together. I've left a link to the free pattern in the description box below, so make sure to check that out before we get started. Alright, let's get started. First, print out the pattern and tape the pieces together in the right order. Then cut out your front and back skirt pieces one by one. You'll need one front piece, one back piece, fusible inner facing for the front and back where the zipper will go, lining fabric and waistband lining with the interfacing, and invisible zipper. Now it's time to create the pleats. Let me show how to do using the marking on the pattern. Fold the lines toward one direction to form neat pleats. Sew down about 3.5 inches from the top of each pleat. For a more natural flow, let the pleats slightly open as they go down about 0.5 inches. Serge the side seams where the zipper will be attached, and do the same for the lining. Now let's attach the waist lining band to the lining. Start by marking the center of the waist lining band and the lining. Use the loosen stitch to slightly gather the lining. Then match the centers and sew them together. Press the seam allowance upward and top stitch along the waist lining band. Mark a point about 1 inch from the end of your zipper with right sides together. Sew the front and back skirt pieces from the hem up to the marked point. Now switch to the zipper foot and sew the invisible zippers onto the right side of the fabric. Place the front and back lining pieces right sides together and sew, extending 1 inch longer than the outer fabric. Then attach the zipper to the lining by placing the right side of the zippers and lining together. Sew the remaining side seams of both the outer skirt and lining. Then serge the raw edges. Place the skirt and waist lining band the right sides together. And sew around the waistline. Press the seam allowance down and understitch it on the lining side to keep everything in place. Let's finish off by hemming. Fold the lining hem twice and stitch it down. Then do the same for the outer skirt. Thank you for watching.